Desolation Wilderness, and today we got up very early so we can hike Lake Tahoe's most famous waterfall, which is Horsetail Falls. Waterfall season is ending in Southern California, but it's still alive and kicking around here. It should be an awesome scramble up to the falls, and if you guys know us, there should be an icy plunge in our future. Guys, I'm pretty sure that Adam has a mastermind plan to see how long he can get away with wearing his ugly waterfall shorts by somehow managing to keep waterfall season going as long as possible. I think that's what's going on.
I don't know, but I've heard this is one of the more spectacular waterfalls in Northern California. I'm excited for it. And so are the shorts.
Is it spectacular, or does he just think his shorts are spectacular?
Elise, how pretty is this hike?
This isn't even the waterfall, but it's an awesome waterfall.
Wow. Oh, Elise, our first look at Horsetail Falls.
It's gorgeous. It's massive. I'm so excited.
Well, you can see why they call it Desolation Wilderness. It is quite desolate. No flowers, kind of not much growing. But wow, is it magnificent. Guys, this is just an amazing hike. So many waterfall features on the way up to the main event. Look at this one.
Well, this trail is not really a trail. It's more a general direction towards Horsetail Falls. It's not so desolate anymore, is it?
Actually, these flowers are quite nice.
Are you so stoked on these flowers right now?
This is a really beautiful hike on pretty much every level.
Are you okay? It's kind of odd that I'm the one that had to stop and notice the wildflowers. Is everything going on okay up there?
On my mind.
Okay, you're focused, locked in.
This is crazy! Oh my god! Insane.
We gotta get up there.
We gotta get up there, let's go!
This waterfall's massive. Unbelievable, it's crazy.
You guys, this is just incredible. We're just climbing up these slabs right next to the waterfall.
What?
And it just keeps going. It's like 7 or 8 waterfalls all together.
Are you trying to get to the top?
We gotta get to the top.
Well, it has definitely turned into a scramble now.
Whoa.
Look at what we're looking at, guys.
What did you see?
We got
right
this,
to the right?
this. There's a steep drop off over there to the right.
This is kind of interesting.
Yeah, did you know you were bargaining for some crack climbing?
No, I would have brought my quiver for the poles.
I know, the poles seem kind of unnecessary.
The poles are going away right now.
They really are. It's fun though.
Yeah, it's zesty for sure.
This trail is not easy to find, huh?
Whatever trail they're seeing, it's not a trail.
Yeah. We're fine. Okay. We gotta get to the top.
Bouldery, slabby adventure, isn't it?
Yeah. It's actually more climbing than I expected.
It is gnarly. Like,
Yeah.
the first half, I would say everybody should do it and get to the bottom of the falls. This part, you got to be comfortable with the class 3
For
aspects.
sure. Yeah, I would not recommend it otherwise.
No. We made it back to the falls! Elise, this is the very top of the falls. Ooh, baby, that was harrowing.
Harrowing, but awesome.
Awesome. Look, guys, it's all calm here, and you can just see right here where the very top of the falls starts. It's where everything starts going downhill.
Takes off right there. I've never really met a waterfall I didn't like, but I really like this one.
I know, I know. Let's find this lake up here,
Yeah.
and then we'll go down and see if we can jump in that waterfall somewhere.
It's gonna be dicey. We've got sun.
These are a little slippery.
They look really slippery.
All right, if you can handle this crossing, then we're at the lake.
Yeah?
Yeah. It looks like some kind of crazy dance.
Well, I was a ballerina. Can't you tell? Avalanche Lake.
Avalanche Lake.
This is beautiful.
Really nice. I think we need a snack
Need a
before
snack.
we head back down those gnarly slabs.
That down climb is gonna be sketch-a-letch.
Let's definitely snack it out first.
Yeah.
And then we'll head down and find a place to jump in that waterfall.
Well, that's a nice little snack spot.
Yeah, it's just perfect. We're out of any wind, sun on the lake.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Okay guys, we are back at the mouth of the falls, which means we are headed down that gnarly, slabby, steep mile. But we are gonna find a really great place to plunge these falls. So stay with us, it should be a spicy descent.
I'm excited.
And the plunge will be epic.
Yes. How pretty is it now that the sun's out?
So pretty.
What? Were you cliff bonked? You look stumped.
It's gonna be a straight cliff right here.
Yeah.
Maybe around.
Around to the right or something. Wow! This waterfall is crazy with the sun on it.
How you feeling about this down climb, Elise?
Well, it's just really steep.
It's really steep.
Oh my god.
It's a long slide if you lose your
feel
footing.
like we're doing better finding the route on the way down, but it's scared falling.
You finally found the exact appropriate place to use your beloved crab walk.
Oh, you're finally giving me the crab walk
Absolutely.
approval?
This is the crab walk spot.
Why?
Because turning around isn't necessary, but crab walking is, because if you slip, you're cooked. The crab walk queen.
Then nasta.
Okay, we are back to the slabby waterfall part.
Yeah.
Do you think we can get to these falls or no? We're gonna go take a look.
You can.
We've got quite a few waterfall choices, but these look gorgeous.
These
so-
look awesome.
Yeah.
Adam thinks he spotted a way for us to get down to the falls safely. What do you think?
I say we go in this waterfall. This one is really thundering. is so strong. Be careful if you go in. Guys, I wanted to take you up to the waterfall, but there's no way to get there because it's too deep and I can't swim against this strong current. Look at me backwards.
No! It's not working! No way! No way! Yes! 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 The climbing it back is pretty rough.
That current is so strong. Should we go see if there's a waterfall down below we can jump into?
100%.
Nice. Elise, we found the spot. Are you gonna do it? I think you gotta jump it. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo! How is that? I hope so too.
That's awesome.
You feel good?
I feel great. Are you good?
Yeah. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Feels like such a nap.
Elise, you going again? All right, do it. Do it. Yes. Good jump. Woo!
Horsetail Falls, man.
Horsetail Falls. What a climb up to the top. What a jet. What, 1,000 waterfalls? I don't know.
So many waterfalls. I think this might be one of my favorite hikes ever, and I know I say that a lot, but this one was so awesome.
It is a really epic hike when you go all the way up. And you've got to jump in these falls, guys. They are spectacular.
Just be careful.